Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S in vivid black. And this bike's got a lot of add-ons. So starting up top, we have these mirrors with integrated turn signals, bars. The intakes came stock like this on the 17s, but they also did the engine guards and these beautiful bright orange wheels. We have the 2-in-1 exhaust and the leather hard-mounted saddlebags that lock. So these are really nice, really sturdy. Luggage rack and passenger backrest. And miles are low. We are at 7,445. Come check this one out. It's not going to be around for long. We're open 6 days a week for test rides.